Okey, untuk first kali langkah-langkah untuk menservis aircon ialah first kali kita haruslah menutup aircon. Okey, seterusnya kita menutupkan pelak yang berkaitan dengan aircon. Okey, seterusnya menutup MCB yang berkaitan dengan aircon. Okey, untuk first kali langkah-langkah untuk menservis aircon dengan betul adalah buka ni. Okey, seterusnya kita buka penapis. Okey, seterusnya kita menggunakan penapis dengan air. Okey, seterusnya kita menjemurkan penapis air di permukaan tempat yang panas. Kita jemurkan, kita tutuskan sehingga kering dan boleh digunakan. Okey, langkah seterusnya kita masukkan ini di dalam aircon, masukkan penapis. Seterusnya kita tutup cover depan. Seterusnya kita onkan kembali MCCB. Seterusnya kita on switch aircon untuk cek ada yang berfungsi ataupun tidak. Seterusnya kita onkan aircon.
Okay, refer to question 1 in table 2. The advantage of using refrigerant R410A compared to R22 is R410A is able to absorb and release heat better than R22. It making more energy efficient lah. Plus, because it's more fluid in temperature changing abilities, it does a better job heating or cooling your house quickly. Okay, thank you.
There are something that will happen if not for aircon service. The aircon is not clean. That is have a six answer. 1, less cool and the air become unhealthy. 2, the monthly electric will be increased. 3, the pipeline will become a clog and cost water to live at home. 4, the compressor and motor will not last long. Okay, 5, easy to break and need exchange with a new unit. Okay, 6, frequent leaks apply. That is a 6 answer for the particle worksheet.
Question number 3. Common electrical fault in air conditioner. First, compressor on and off. It can be caused by faulty overload protection or low voltage supply, and either evaporator is dirty or clogged. Second, the air temperature is not cold. This can be caused by dirty or clogged filter, low refrigerant gas, dirty evaporator's coil, and clogged metering devices.